Hello everyone, welcome to Uncode Me. Today we will start custom modules in Node.js. In the last video we will discuss predefined modules and how to create server in Node.js. So let's start one user defined arrow function in the Node.js. For example, I have one file second.js, and in the second.js file you have to create a user defined variable or a function. For example, your function name is find average, find avg is equal to, and if you want average the three parameters a comma b comma c, and after that you can use arrow function and right click, and you have to return a plus b plus divide by 3. And if you want print something like console.log, you can write here finding average of 3 numbers. Okay. After that you have to use module.export. Exports is equal to, your function name is find average avg, correct? Now import this file in the different file. So for example, I have different file is first.js, first node.js, correct? And in the first node.js you have to create an require function, and in the require function you have to use the custom module. So in the custom module you have to store the one user defined variable. For example, c is equal to require, and in the require you can write here ./second, because your file name is second.js, that's why you have to use in the require custom module second, correct? And after that you have to use the different variable. For example, average, this is a user defined variable. Why we use? Because in the second.js file you used return a plus b plus c divide by 3. So if you use like return statement in the user defined function, then you have to use avg user defined variable store value of the average a plus b plus c divided by 3. And if you want call this function, you can write here c and pass the three integer values. For example, 56, 8, 20. And if you want print something, using console.log, and in the console.log you can write here my average is equal to plus avg, correct? Because this is user defined variable and this is the function call. And after that you can write here anything and you can print anything, console.log and hi, I am finished. Okay, so now you can click on the run button and stop, and after run, and you can see my average is 28, hi, I am finished, correct? So आप देख पा रहे हैं कि हमने एक मॉड्यूल बनाया, कस्टम मॉड्यूल, और इस कस्टम मॉड्यूल को हमने Node.js के यूज से रिक्वायर फंक्शन का यूज़ करके इस मॉड्यूल को यहाँ पर यूज़ किया। ऐसे ही हम और भी बहुत सारे fs मॉड्यूल फॉर IO ऑपरेशन को यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सो फाइल्स को रीड करने के लिए हम मॉड्यूल बनाएंगे, हाउ टू इम्पोर्ट एंड ऑल। तो बेसिक 4 फाइल्स का हम यूज़ करेंगे, तो वो हम आने वाले वीडियोस में डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.